This video is intended for educational and informational purposes. The questions and explanations are created by the creator and do not reproduce the original text of Home to Heaven by Pearl S. Buck. Ready for a quick quiz on Home to Heaven by Pearl S. Buck? Answer these 10 questions as we go along and drop your marks in the comments. Challenge your friends too. Question 1. Pearl S. Buck is an blank novelist. A. American. B. Italian. C. African. D. Irish. Answer: A. American. Fun fact: she won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1938. Question 2. David was tired of blank faces. A. Boys. B. Girls. C. Actresses. D. Actors. Answer: B. Girls. Question 3. How did Mr. Fang's mistress look? A. Like an actress. B. Like a bamboo tree. C. Like a queen. D. Like an independent country. Answer: A. Like an actress. Note: her appearance was artificial and dramatic. Question 4. Phyllis looked like A. An actress. B. A bamboo. C. An anchor. D. A beautiful lady. Answer: B. A bamboo. Tip: tall, graceful, and natural, just like a bamboo. Question 5. Who will not wear leather shoes again? A. Phyllis. B. Doris Lee. C. Mr. Fang. D. Jerry. Answer: A. Phyllis. Question 6. Pearl S. Buck received the Nobel Prize in A. 1900. B. 1938. C. 1825. D. 1854. Answer: B. 1938. Question 7. Blank presented Phyllis with a 5-pound box of foreign chocolates. A. David. B. Doris Lee. C. Mr. Fang. D. An actress. Answer: A. David. Question 8. The word perverted means A. Moral. B. Immoral. C. Active. D. Smart. Answer: B. Immoral. Question 9. David worked as A. A dentist. B. A teacher in a school. C. A manager in his father's printing house. D. A guide. Answer: C. A manager in his father's printing house. Question 10. The language David secretly liked was A. English. B. Chinese. C. Hindi. D. French. Answer: B. Chinese. Fun fact: this shows his connection to his cultural roots, a key theme in the story. Thanks for playing along. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss Part 3. Short answer questions from Home to Heaven. Keep exploring and enjoying literature.